Hey folks, happy Valentine's Day. So this video, it's going to be fairly quick. I just want to give you a heads up on what's happening. I finally got a date for my surgery on my back, which is great. So February 28th. I go in, the procedure takes a couple hours, I'll be done. And then I have the whole month of the whole month of March off. So they want me to take 4 to 6 weeks off before going back to work. So I'm going to be around the house for a whole month. Going crazy. So I'm going to use that time to post a lot of videos that I've filmed over the past 2 years. Just haven't had the time to really edit and put up. So you're going to be seeing a lot of videos coming up over the next few weeks that yeah, you can tell that they're older, and during the summer when it's nice and warm, as opposed to now where it's, you know, struggling to hit zero. So we'll let you I'm not gonna let you do anything. You guys are gonna see that stuff coming up. So I'm gonna have plenty of time to, you know, put more material out there, and then once March is over, it'll be in April, so it'll be warm enough to get the forge going. So we'll be able to have some fun with that. Plus, that big company that I had a large e-waste pickup from, I've got another one coming next month. It's going to be delivered here in my garage while I'm recovering, so I won't be able to do too much with it because I'm not supposed to lift anything over like 10 pounds. And most of the stuff weighs more than 10 pounds. But there's going to be a whole new variety of different things to look at. So if you guys are still interested in that, I'll make some more videos and put that out. Again, the forge video is going to be coming out. I've got a whole bunch of gold stuff that I need to process, so we're going to see that. This is the year that you're going to see some nitric acid videos from me, so we're going to see some use of aqua regia. We're going to try some poor man's AR as well. Yeah, so the other thing I want to talk about in this video was my last video. I put out my P.O. box number, and I'll put it again in the description. It's P.O. Box 1140 in Westbrook, Maine 04098. And I've been getting some stuff from viewers, which is cool. It also asked for brass keys for a project that I have that something I want to do with Forge when it's up and running. I really don't come across keys very often, which is kind of weird. It's a fairly common thing. So the thing that I want to do with them specifically requires the keys. So that's why I put my feelers out. And I pretty much have just about all the keys that I need. I maybe need like 10 or 20 more, and then I'm done. So I'll go over a few things first. So I got this package from Donald Rucker out in Indiana. So let's open this up here. All right. So he sent this cardboard thing. Has a whole bunch of keys attached to it. Let's see, I've got a note here. Saw your last video asking for brass keys, so I rounded up a few. I'm interested to see what you do with these. I want you to know how much I appreciate your videos. I'm a garbage man, and believe me, I find way more stuff to scrap than I will ever have time to get to. When I need to know how to scrap something, you almost always have a video to show me how. I'm praying for your back surgery. The best advice I can give you is to follow closely the instructions you get regarding rehab. Looking forward to many more great videos, so get well soon. Blessings, Don. Thank you very much. Another Don. Just hope it's not too many people out there named Don these days. So thank you, Mr. Rucker. Thank you very much. I will definitely put these to good use, and you will see fairly soon in April, definitely in April, once the weather is allowing the propane to flow fairly freely and not frozen through the pipe to the forge. We'll get it going. So let's see what else we have here. So I got a couple of things from a Jim Katsky. Sorry if I mispronounce any of these names. First thing I got there was a card. So all the best to you. Hope your surgery gets you back to 100%. Long time subscriber, Rockman Jim. P.S. Package coming soon. Here's the package. So let's get this thing opened up. I'm trying not to doing this stuff off camera, so I don't know if these people would be comfortable having their mailing addresses broadcast to the world. Alright, so it looks like, oh, we got some more keys. Sweet. Yep, another baggie of more keys. All for the project. So this guy, Jim Katsky, is a master lapidary. Flat lapping, custom work, polished slabs. So I'm pretty sure he wouldn't mind me showing you this. So pause the screen to take a screenshot of that. If you're into lapidary services, I'm sure he'd probably do something by mail as well. Sent me a little fridge magnet, TPH. Alright, what do we got here? Something for your fridge, turquoise Arizona State gemstone. It's all wrapped up in a little, oh, cool. It is a little cactus, which looks like it's made out of like turquoise scrap or crumbles, whatever came off of what he was doing, mixed with epoxy and put into a little cactus mold. So we've got the Arizona State stone, and I think that's the Arizona State tree. I don't know, I'm just kidding. Alright, pretty cool. Thank you very much for that. And let's see what else we got here. So, e-waste recycling, we recycle computers. So he as well has got another, he's doing e-waste, just like me. Great. My goal is to stop this material from going into the landfills. These items are taken apart and properly recycled. Steel goes to the scrapyard, plastic goes to one of several recycling centers. Even the screws get recycled. So he's got his own little flyer, which is great. And that's another great form of advertising. People have asked me that over the years. You know, how do you advertise for your services, etc. There's so many different ways. And when it comes to advertising, especially if you're not really paying a whole lot for it, there's no such thing as bad advertising. So just a little thing like that just costs you the paper and the ink. You know, sticking it under windshield wipers, posting it at grocery stores, or whatever. Alright, so this is dated January 24. Hello Moose, I hope you're on the mend and feeling better. YouTube needs the Moose. Since I've been following you for quite a few years, I know more about you than vice versa. So here's some background. My real job is I'm self-employed as a professional lapidary. I mine, which I've always wanted to do, which is pretty cool. Cut and polish rocks from all over the world. The computer recycling is part-time. I've been doing it for over 8 years. I've also had a foundry for about 6 years. I pour mostly copper, but, oops, I've had the chance to pour silver. Nice. Which, Arizona, correct me if I'm wrong, there's a lot of silver available out there. And I hear there's a lot of places out there to go like metal detecting for gold nuggets as well. As you, I watch e-waste Ben. I also follow 3 Tips, same as here, Successful Engineer, which is also a great one. 999 Doosan, Gold Recovery, and a few others. I also work with the bad chemicals. E-waste Ben preaches stockpiling in his video. That's pretty much what I do. I now have over 25 kilos of IC chips, over 8 kilos of ceramic CPUs and EEPROMs, accumulations of MLCCs, tantalum oscillators, crystal oscillators, many pounds of gold-plated pins, and everything else worth saving. I would love to chat with you sometimes. You have my email address and phone number. I'm a night person, usually go to bed about 4 a.m. I have no wife or kids to worry about, so get better, take care of yourself, Rockman Jim. Well, I'll definitely be reaching out to you. So thank you again for the magnets and for all that stuff. Alright. And the last package I got is DJDYS. Up here. Got a little note. Hey Moose, a subscriber of mine sent me a bunch of coins. As I was going through them, this one caught my eye. I know you collect things that have a moose on them, so I thought you might like this. This coin is from Norway. Anyway, hope you had a great Christmas and a Happy New Year. Dino Backyard Scrapping, or Dino Backyard Scrapping. Alright, so this guy has backyard scrapping. This looks like he has his own website. Check that out right there. Ah, cool. Yep, so it's a coin A5 or whatever that is. Oh, way. That's got, I don't know if you can see that on there. If I take it out of the bag. It is a copper coin with a moose on it. That's pretty cool. There you go. Well, thank you very much. Thank you guys. I mean, it's always nice to hear, positive things from you folks. Lord knows there's enough negative comments posted on the videos, so it's nice to hear this positive stuff. Thank you all again, and yes, I'm hoping to put out a lot more videos this year. Still trying to do that 100,000 subscriber giveaway. I've got about almost 50,000 subscribers left to get. I'm hoping, though, I've seen other channels like Big Stack Decasting, because of the forge stuff, which seems to be pretty hot and popular. His channel grew to like 300,000 subscribers really quick. So I'm just shooting for 100. I'd like to get that YouTube, the play button. That'd be kind of fun. So yeah, so thanks again for watching. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe. If you have something that you want me to show on YouTube, or just anything interesting, something you want me to scrap for you, make a video on, whatever, just, you've got my address. It's, again, it's P.O. Box 1140 in Westbrook, Maine, 04098. You can address it to Moose Scrapper or Don Burby, either way it works. And again, thank you. So, see you all in the next one.